In this video, I'll show you how to download AAA Auto Insurance EFT Authorization form. And if you're new to AAA, we'll include our referral link in the description below so you can sign up and start enjoying member benefits right away. To start, open the website, acg.aaa.com. Then click on Sign In. Next, on the fields provided, enter your user ID and password. Then click on Sign In. Once you're signed in, you will see several tabs at the left side of the screen. Click on the tab that says Manage AAA Insurance. Then on the drop-down list, click on the option that says View Policy Documents. Next, click on the auto policy you wish to view. On this page, scroll down a little. Then you will see an option for EFT Authorization form. Click on EFT Authorization form. You will then be redirected to another tab. To download the form, click on the download icon at the upper right corner of the screen. That's how you download your AAA Auto Insurance EFT Authorization form. Thank you so much guys for watching, and if you have not yet subscribed to our YouTube channel, please subscribe to our YouTube channel as we create tech videos related to financial apps almost every day. Also check out our recommended resources in the description below for various sign-up bonuses.